So you want to draw a wolf? Well, in this quick tutorial, I'm gonna teach you how to draw just that in a few steps. But before that, please like the video real quick. Ready? Okay, let's go! This is for all the furries out there. First, draw a cross. Then mark 2 spots on each side like so. Just estimate the distance between them. Then we're gonna make a straight line. Then the diagonal line that connects to the cross. Do the same for the other side. Then, on the marks that we made a while ago, draw 2 small circles. These will serve as the guidelines for the eyes. So beside the 2 circles, make 2 straight lines. Inside the lines, create this giant water droplet, like so. So as you can see, this is longer than the shape we did. So within the water droplet, there's an intersection between the lines, right? Draw a sort of oblong, which will serve as the nose. So let's move on to the eyes. Draw a bigger circle for each of the 2 small circles. Just so you can clearly see, this is what the eye looks like. It's kind of an almond shape, but it's going downwards. Then of course, there's a circle inside. So yeah, I drew the eye inside the circle. Eventually though, I realized that it was too high up, so I just redrew the eyes on a lower position. If you've noticed something wrong with your drawing, you can totally erase and redraw. There's nothing wrong with that. Of course, that's just my excuse. Again, I drew these large circles surrounding the eye. Then, around the wolf's face, I drew an upside-down water droplet. I made it a bit wider. Basically, it's like a diamond but with curves. Anyway, on 2 sides, I drew the ears, which kind of look like triangles. Then, above the eye, I drew these waves. I erased the guidelines so you can see clearly. For the nose, I made these 2 hook shapes for the nostrils. Again, I refined the shape of the nose. Then I made a sort of W wave for the mouth. So I cleaned up the sketch again. I made this long water droplet shape on both corners of the mouth. It's sort of like the lips. Then I cleaned up the eyes, gave the shape more definition, and drew its pupils. So I filled in the upper part with black and also the outer part. I did the same with the other eye. I also filled the nose with black. Then with the white color, I just outlined the nostrils and highlighted its nose. Next, we're gonna draw the fur. So the box thing that we drew, we're gonna draw the fur along that. Do the same for the other side. I also added some more details. I also drew fur on the wave above the eyes. Next, for the ears, I polished the sketch and drew fur inside the ears. For the outer part of the ears, I also drew fur on it. Finally, for the neck, I also drew fur. I also added some minor details. Now, we're gonna color. On another layer, color the wolf with a light grayish color. Then we're gonna color his pattern with the black, though you can choose to color him with other colors, such as gray, brown, red, or heck, even purple. Then create these straight lines to make the color look furry and natural. This is optional, but if you want, you can create a multiply layer. Select a light color and paint shadows onto the wolf. You can use the airbrush tool to make the shadows softer. I also added a glow using a shine layer, but well, it kind of looks ridiculous. You could do that, but it's gonna look ridiculous. Anyway, here's the final drawing. I hope you found this tutorial useful. If you're proud of your work, be sure to share it with me on the socials. I mean, dude, flex on it. So here are my accounts, feel free to follow me. And yeah, if you found this video useful, please like my video, that helps me out a lot. So thanks, stay cool.